1 for 5 or...
You need a bag for these? No, I've got my little wagon. Champagne is nice and cold for you. Yep, and make sure you put that in the fridge.
Man, what's his name? Adam brings the next all the time. I know you.
I've always thought that at a certain age I would be in a town where I could walk.
Well, just look, I'll be right back.
I can afford it again.
Well, I can afford it now. I bought about 11 years ago, 12 years ago.
Oh, right, yeah.
At the time I moved to the mile.
Well, your primary, yeah. So 3.
Oh, we got peaches on the
Oh, this is what I want.
Whichever you want.
Oh. Yep, no problem. Yeah, just check back with this.
Anything else? Anybody?
Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Eric. Today, we are at the historic Lewes Farmers Market. Let's go check it out. Let's go.
We add one more in, it's for because 6 is chicken and fish, obviously.
Well, there's here. There's chicken.
Oh yeah, Bennett peaches. Best. Look at this.
I'll leave early. I can help who's next.
This is what we came for.
Thinking about it. Maybe give it to
Little jiggle.
Are you going to do cash or card? Here it is. Just dance. 7.25.
Cucumbers if you want.
And then you want a blueberry muffin? You can put it all up.
Anything else?
Okay.
Oh, you found something.
Right now I like sitting run over by this means.
Hello.
How are you guys today? Good. Look at that. One of those tomato things. It is a savory truffle with tomato, mozzarella, and spinach. Thank you.
go for it. Is someone talk about the market first? Well, I don't know where Becca is, but I'm Ellen Castle. My husband, Chef Greg. We've been actually affiliated with this market with Becky back when they were doing the tomato.
Can we get some more, please?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Together we wrote a cookbook a few years ago.
And curing is very, very easy. You all have a recipe, and from our book, we did a recipe with, this is where it's from. This is the recipe that we did from the New Jewish Table. And it's a peat-cured gravlax. So I took a seasonal approach on the gravlax and using beets. Hold on. Okay, I'm not shy. Okay, so the process of doing gravlax and curing box flavor, great. So really got this beautiful color. Especially
No, not that too. So on like Apple Maps,
We just got the breeze. Good.
really is for a couple of weeks you can buy it's pure salt. Yep.
I want to do one of the brown butter sandwich cookies. Okay. And then one of the almond bliss cookies.
are you sure? Yeah,
I wonder if I have.
Alrighty guys, that'll be $3.
Yes, we are back. We are home. So thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. Bye. First one from our garden. Look at that.